Hello there, beautiful people. You want to know how to add a parallax scrolling banner on your Shopify store completely free and without using any applications? That's exactly what I'm about to show you in this video. And without any more talking, let's just jump to it. And this is the parallax scrolling banner, as you can see. So each element, each image in here has a separate block, so you can change the background picture and this cloud picture and the shoes, of course. So once you scroll down, each one has different scrolling speed, and you can adjust the speed of the scrolling for each element in here. And of course the text in here and the explore collections and so on. So let me reload the page so you can see that this one is already gone. It doesn't exist anymore. How to add it? Oh yeah, shoppable video carousel. I did that in the video as well. So let me access Shopify dashboard. First thing you're going to do is access Shopify dashboard. If you are in Shopify dashboard, click on sales channel and click on online store so we can access the section where we can edit the theme. And the next thing you're going to do, which is the most important step, is make sure you duplicate the theme. So simply click on the three dots for the theme you are using and click on duplicate. So every changes, customizations you did, you do it on the duplicated theme. And if you like the changes, simply click on publish. If you don't, you still have the previous version intact. And then the next thing you're going to do is click on the three dots on left of edit theme and click on edit code this time. And after it opens up the code editor, on the left panel right here, you will see a folder called sections. Click on it to be expanded, then right click on the folder's name, which is sections, and you will see this option called new file. Click on it and simply type in parallax-section.liquid. Make sure you add the file extension, which is .liquid, otherwise it will not work. And click on enter, it will create the file, and in here we need to paste in the code for the section. Where are you gonna get that code? From me. So scroll down the description box and you will see a link, my website. Click on it and it will open up this page right here. Then simply scroll down a little bit and you will see this button right here to copy the whole code at once and get back in here and paste it in the file we did create and click on save. After that, we will get back in here and click on edit the theme where you added the section. The next thing you're going to do is navigate where you want to add this parallax scrolling banner. If you don't want to add it on the home page, click on home page and select which page you want to add it. In my case, I want to add it on the home page. Now navigate which section on the home page. I'm going to add it above the product card. So I'm going to click on add section and make sure to add it on template. If you add it on header, it will show up on all pages. So click add on template and you should see it in here. Here is Parallax banner by On House Studio. If you can't see it, simply search for it. This is the name, Parallax banner. Then click on it and should show the section right here. However, on the left here, the right, sorry, there is some options to customize the theme: background color, text color, section height. You can adjust the height of the section, show bottom fade. You can enable or disable that, as well as the bottom fade opacity. You can increase or decrease that. And if you want disable the parallax, if you want to enable, sorry, the parallax on the mobile, because parallax scrolling banners tend to not be very mobile friendly, so you might want to keep it disabled, or I would recommend you enable it then test it. If it looks good, functions good for you. Now the next thing is how to add the images. On the left here below the section where we added the section, you should see some blocks in here. So this one's parallax layer. This all are the images I showed you, which they move by scrolling with different speeds. And this one is the hero text. This one is the text overlay here, as you can see, this one. And this one is the other text explore collections. As you can see, you can assign a link for it as well. So now let me add the images. So the first one is the one on the background. You can adjust that as well. For example, this one says layer depth. So if you increase this one, it will be on top. But I would recommend you to keep them by default because I built this like this, so it will function well without having to play around with the settings. This is just for people that like to go in depth. So here you go. Now click on select images. I'm gonna select this background right here, same as I showed you earlier. And there is an option for parallax speed and based on scrolling. Once you're scrolling, the movement of each image will be different. This one -7. If I added the other one in here, this one is -5 because obviously they need to be different. And one more thing I forgot to mention, which is the image size. This is very important. So I added text here so you can see it. Recommended size is this one right here for best quality. So make sure you resize the picture for this ratio or resolution, then add it and it should work for you just fine. And make sure the image is basically transparent. The background for the image, for the behind the object, is obviously transparent. Otherwise it will not work. Let me add the shoes in here. And as you can see, the shoes has parallax speed -2. So they're barely moving. because they are basically the object in focus. So let me reload the page now on the home page, and here it is. Now I scroll down, as you can see, each image moves in different speed. As you can see, each image moves in a different speed, and you can edit the text, as I said, and there is an arrow, animated arrow, so it will indicate you have to scroll down. And that's how you add the Parallax scrolling banner on your Shopify store, completely free and without using any applications. If you have any video requests or you need help with your Shopify store, make sure to reach out. We have a full team that can help you out. But for now, I think my job is done. So thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.